Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to get a moist perm rod set for my dry type 4 naturals out there who know the everlasting struggle. This one is for you, and this video is sponsored by Luxju natural hair products. And in the box I have this card that has information about the brand saying catering to your needs in hair care, and there's also another card that is an information card that gives you advice on how to do a bomb twist out. So I'm going to be using that in the future because I suck at twist outs, so I can't wait to try this out. Also in the box I did get a mint. I did eat the mint before I filmed the unboxing. Oops. And the star of the show, Luxju Nourishing Hair Cream. And this is a very rich, creamy, all-natural product specifically for dry hair. So this is like a dry hair solution as far as styling and caring for your hair. I already detangled my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Nourishing Hair Cream to style my hair. I used a shampoo. It's a clarifying shampoo. First time using it, and it was really harsh on my hair, so I'm using a lot of product. Don't be nervous about using a lot of product. There's not gonna be buildup or flaking, so you can be very generous. And I'm also using olive oil. I know people ask me, do you still use olive oil? Yes, I never stopped. Now, as far as my perm rod set, I always place my perm rod on my head, of course, and the vents face out and the rubber band faces inward. This will make sure your perm rod is the most secure when doing your perm rod set. Always make sure you place it that way if you're rolling from root to tip. So right on the ends, I'm going to apply some edge control. I always do that so my hair is nice and smooth all the way down. Once I'm done applying the edge control, I continue wrapping, and then I grab the rubber band and snap the roller in place. After I snap it in place, it's not going anywhere. So I'm going to show you in the front. Place the roller on your head and rotate it until the rubber band is literally touching your scalp and the vents are facing out, up, away from your scalp. Then start wrapping and smooth as you wrap. It's really easy when you have heavy products to actually smooth your hair as you wrap. That's not a challenge. Make sure you put your edge control on your ends. But what happens when I do it this way is that my rubber band is right there on the same plane as the roller, so I can easily pull it up over the roller and snap it in place, and nothing is going to come out. Like, it's not going to get loose or anything like that. So the next day, I am going to go ahead and take out my rollers. That was a gamble because we've been going through second winter. Literally the whole country is going through second winter. So sleeping overnight and letting my hair dry overnight was a risk, but I had a really smooth perm rod set and I had pretty decent results considering the risk. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out 3 in the front and 3 in the back so you can see that yes, I did have smooth, juicy, moisturized, hydrated, yummy looking curls in the front and the back. And of course, in typical Lulu fashion, I had to trip and drop something because that's just how I do. I'm clumsy like that. Now in the back, again, curls are looking great. Okay, I think it turned out like perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out all of my rollers, and we're just gonna talk about this product real quick. It is obviously designed by a naturalista because look at these results. She knows the struggle as well. And you do have a lot of natural oils in the Nourishing Hair Cream. I know I used oil in addition to the cream, but the cream itself plays nicely with other products. So I like a product that plays nicely with friends. And there will be more coming out in the future from this brand, so I can't wait to purchase them and show them to you guys. This is what the back of my hair is looking like, and this is the front. So what I'm going to do next is separate my curls, and I am going to wear my hair down because I know I get yelled at, told off, and I irritate some people when I tie my hair up. So I understand where you're coming from. It's like a waste of curls to tie my hair up, but I really do hate having my hair down because I like it out of my face all the time. That's just my preference. But for you guys, I am keeping my hair down so you can really get the full effect of the curls and just enjoy looking at them. Make sure you use a little bit of oil, rub it through your palms and fingertips before you start separating your curls so you can limit the amount of frizz that you have. I completely forgot to do that. It didn't really affect my curls that much, but it's still a risk either way, so make sure you use some oil. Also, I'm going to go ahead and use my rake comb and just add some extra volume so my curls can sit pretty. And that is all, you guys. As far as this tutorial goes, my hair felt really moisturized, and this product really, over time, you will notice, because I've used it a few times, that your hair texture will change. Do not confuse hair texture with hair type. Your texture will change, and it will make your hair feel more manageable over time instead of coarse and difficult to manage. So check out the back. We have a lot of volume despite how much product I used. I'm happy about that. I can't wait for Luxju to come out with more products so I can share them with you guys, and I will link all of their information down below. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!